Hello there, I'm Chateria Luyo and I will be teaching you how to go about a Shopify store. First, you have to create or make sign in to a Shopify store at shopify.com and then make a name of your store. I chose Amazing Lola for my Shopify store. And then how to put products here. Right. And how do you put products in your Shopify store? Products. So these are all my products. First, you have to get the best selling from Amazon. I chose this one, the Dash mini waffle, and then compare it to the mini maker, waffle maker. Then compare it to Alibaba. Here, the price. Alibaba, this one. So I chose this one. Then download or upload your pictures. You take the pictures of this one, the products, and then wait. And then these are my products. Okay. Actually, I added already this one. So you add the product. And this one is, the name of the product is Dash Mini Maker. Add the description, but I won't add it first. So I want to upload the pictures first. When you save the picture in your computer, you can put this one. You can upload the picture like this one. So I'd like to upload 2. So there, I uploaded 2. So the description will come from the product here, product description. The product description is this one. So I just have to copy this one into the description. And paste it. Whatever you want. You have to put an enticing one. The compare at price I got from Lazada. Lazada has 1,000. It costs 1,612. So I just put it here. And then the cost per item in this one, the 685 times 52 would give you 357. And I want to sell it at 1,600. So this one, if you want to track the quantity or continue selling when out of stock. When out of stock, you have to consider when to the delivery, when the delivery will get to you. So available quantity, let's say it's about 4. The weight is 1.41 pounds, 1.41 pounds. Select the country of origin, Philippines. Then the variants, it's only red. So say you're selling a shirt or shorts or dresses, there are sizes so you have to put it here. Another option is the color. For example, this Dash Mini Maker has 2 colors, so I'll just put it here, red and white. And you can add another option, the material. Let's say it's whatever, it's plastic or whatever. So I don't have any variants, so I don't have to put. It's only red. That is available. So the product type is home appliance, and I want to put it on my home page. So collection is home appliance. So you just click save. Okay. So now, because I have done this, so I'll go to, I'm going to my store, my home page. Oops. So these are all my products. So I'm going to my home page. My online store. So when I chose a theme for my own online store, it's a debut. So that's a free theme for me. So I want to preview my store. So this one, Amazing Lola. I have these products on my page. So these are the products that I want to sell. And this, I think, is the one that Lola loves to get. And these are all my products. I can add some more as time goes by. You can add as many as you want. So that's it. This is Your Amazing Lola. And come shop at my Shopify store, the Amazing Lola store. Bye-bye.